Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about free Google Ads fraud protection. When it comes to protecting your business, whether you're a publisher, agency, or advertiser, identifying click fraud activity is crucial. Cybercrime, which includes web crawlers, click farms, bot attacks, and more, is all over the web, trying to take advantage and disrupt the way people connect with one another online while taking different actions from clicking on ads to purchasing a product or service. How it works. Google starts by identifying what it terms as invalid traffic that doesn't come from a real user with genuine interest. This type of activity usually results in an invalid click. This refers to any click fraud activity that is illegitimate and could either be an intentional or unintentional click. Google terms this type of click fraud as an activity meant to increase ad traffic while pretending to be genuine. Google considers several types of clicks to be invalid ones, including manual clicks that are intentionally trying to hurt your marketing budget as invalid clicks, automated clicking tools like bots and click farms, double clicks, traffic that appears to be coming from high-quality users or a site pretending to be a different site, and more. Since this type of activity creates not only bad user experiences, but also bad data which provides no real value to advertisers, it is essential to rid yourself of it. Not to mention, it's quite costly. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.